Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to set Google Chrome as your default browser. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in Google Chrome. On the top, you'll find these three dots. Tap on it and on the bottom, you'll find this setting. Click on this setting. After clicking on setting, you'll find this interface. On the left, you'll find this many options. Over here, you'll see this default browser. Click on this. Over here, make Google Chrome the default browser. Just you can click on this make default. You can see we'll be redirected to this interface. Now, after that, go to this web browser. Click on this Microsoft Edge and you can see many options over here. Now, to set Google as default browser, click on Google. And you can see Google is set as default browser for our system. I'll just click on this X and you can see here if I refresh, you can see Google Chrome is your default browser. So in this way we can set Google Chrome as our default browser. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.